Hi all, Yen from Yen's Art. Welcome back to my channel. I'll be working on a, as you can see, 70 by 90 centimeter canvas or 27 by 35 inches. And right now I'm just putting a black base on the canvas. It's a black gesso. And I'll be doing a Squeegee trowel painting again. I have really grown to like these paintings. This is my third. And I think they're really cool. It is a little different than the fluid art, but still abstract art, definitely, and I'm really in love with it. As you can see, first I'm starting, after I had left it to dry for a day, I start by putting on a pearl violet, and here you can really see how it immediately shows the actual color because it's put down on a black background. The first time that I'm doing the swipe, I guess it is, I'll just do it at normal speed, and then I will speed it all up to 4 times speed because it's pretty trivial to just watch, I think, me swiping these colors. But yeah, please do stay till the end. There's some really great results coming out of this. I really love this one. This is not my biggest canvas that I worked on, but it's my second biggest canvas, and as you can see, it takes up my whole space there, so have a little hard time showing you the whole thing. I have to change my setup so I can get the camera moved a little further up. That's a thing to work on. But yeah, I'll just start by putting down these white and pearl violet colors as the first layer. Then I'll leave it to dry for a few hours so that the next colors that I put on will not mix with these. That's your choice, of course. You can do that or you don't have to, but I just wanted to see how it worked with letting it dry a little bit so that I didn't mix these light colors with the next colors that I'll be putting on. I'm hoping to display this piece in an exhibition next week, so that's going to be exciting. It's going to be decided tomorrow whether this one will be the one that I actually display. So we'll see what is decided. I don't have much more to say, I think. I hope that you enjoy this. Please do give me a like and a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And next painting that I'll be posting will most likely be, I'm in a small collaboration with Dave from, oh my goodness, DRH or DHR is his channel. I'm sorry, I'll put it in the description, a link to his channel. I should have prepared this. I didn't remember that I was gonna mention this, but we have a collaboration Sunday next week, so that would be on the 26th in the evening. We don't have the fixed time yet because we want to make sure that we don't premiere while there's a train going on. So we'll be posting something about that in the coming days. But I'm hoping that you also come join us for those. We'll of course have a premiere so you can chat with us, but more about that in the next few days. So just enjoy this for a few minutes. There's another 5 minutes left. I'll play some music and hope that you enjoy, and I will see you next week. Or you will see me, rather, next week. You all have a great day. Bye.
The way you talk, the way you wear your hair. Change the way you dress, the way you kiss, everything, 'cause you are scared that